ashamed of yourself. Triplet out. How you win with triplets? You can't win with triplets. You gotta win with music, dog.
What up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what it do? Welcome back to the fifth quarter panel. And if it's your first time, welcome to the fifth quarter panel, where it's all black, all bands, all the damn time. And I'm your host, Fred Drussel. We got something different today. We got something a little special today, goddamn me. We got the Jackson State University Sonic Boom of the South and Southern University Human Jukebox. We finna look at the rivalry. We finna look at the goddamn it, the disrespect. We finna look at the utter insert word here. Cool. We just finna see what all went down. This shit been going on for a long time. But I remember I was in high school, 1995. October, breast cancer month type shit. Cause my section leader, Fred Jefferson, he played choirs. We talked a few weeks ago. I'm gonna get you on the panel. He played choirs. There was this crab year. Velanez went over there on tenor. Baby Hawk went over there. My nigga Aaron was over there. And goddamn me, that fifth quarter battle went to 2 a.m. 80 plus songs played. 2 a.m. in the morning. Lights out. Bands just battling. That's how deep that shit went. Like, the rivalry is real. End of the day, when the last bus leave, Jackson State Southern, it's all family. It's all love. It's all respect. But anytime in between now, it's beef. It's beef like a motherfucker. But Jackson State ran out of songs that night. And they started playing scales. And Dr. Liddell, he was my band director when I was there. Dr. Liddell, love the boom. L-U-H. He said L-U-H. Love the boom. Not love the boom. But he said, we're not leaving first. This our home. We're in the vet. Mississippi Veterans Memorial. But anyway, we finna get into this jump, man. We finna get into it. Like, comment, subscribe, follow. And without any further ado, let's find out what it do. Oh, shout out to 825 on YouTube. Check them out. That's where I got this video from. We're just gonna watch this and see what it do. And these two are the best bands in HBCU.
They kicked us out.
Period.
That's why we leaving. They not ready. They kicked us out. This has nothing to do with a football game. It's the Sonic Boom of the Jukebox.
Here we go.
What type of time y'all on?
See, Southern be with the shit. When we playing goddamn Star Spangled Banner, the national anthem, it seems like they wait to march in the stadium just to play while we playing our shit. And Jackson State returned the favor right then. Here we go. October.
You not want no smoke.
Snare drummers. Shout out to the snares. Who gonna beat me? Cause they hear no tenors. Y'all know I love them cymbals. They not going ham though.
Them boys really think they loud. That's the crazy part.
They loud that it don't sound good at times.
If you got on blue and gold, you should be ashamed of yourself.
cranking on. Yeah, I'll see the thrill of a billionaires. Goddamn me, J6. What we doing right here, State? Ooh, I love them tenders, man. I can't lie. Jack State got the best tender section. Bass drums coming through powerful.
Triple it out. How you win with triplet? You can't win with triplet. You gotta win
Triple
with music,
it.
dog.
Triple it. Dub tip though, y'all.
The Funk Factory, but it ain't even from.
That nigga funky. Man, the Rangers be sick. I ain't seen this video here. What is it? Let me know what it's at, y'all. Oh, that two just came in with that. I ain't gonna lie. I want to hear some more of that. Something came in sounding good. I ain't gonna lie, Southern, that play we came to play sound pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. DF, oh, come on, man.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, they don't give a fuck.
We have a special presentation for you. Please focus your attention to the large jumbotron and let's check out Southern University Human Jukebox Marching Band Resume.
What all that
Wow! What is you doing?
is? What y'all,
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
oh my God, they didn't dress right for shit.
He needs some milk. I'm legally blind. I can see anyway. I'm an innocent bystander. Do it.
Oh, nigga, drunk than a motherfucker.
Now, as you can see, the human jukebox is just a great big show.
Damn, they put a joke on that motherfucker. Chili sauce, man. Chili sauce, man.
For that southern man.
This the disrespect shit. They just asked Southern not to play. I like this disrespect though. They sound good. I fuck with Southern, y'all. And they're not supposed to be played and they cranking. That's the end of it. Once again, shout out to 8 to 5. But as of right now, make me big. Make me big. Somebody play my goddamn theme music. Goddamn me theme music. Deuce one like Dion. I said deuce one like Dion. I ain't giving no funk faces on this one again. This another one I ain't giving no funk faces on. What y'all think? Files the rivalry. Who y'all support in the rivalry? Jackson State or Southern? One or the other. You can't be like, I like Jackson State, I like Southern. Just pick one. Just for me. Pick one, put it in the comment. We're going to have a talk about it. If I can't respond to it, we're going to have a talk about this right here. But if you didn't go to Jackson State, if you didn't go to Southern, you wouldn't understand it. If you didn't march in the Boom, or you didn't march with the Human Jukebox, you would not understand it. This is a real fucking rivalry. Look forward to real rivalry. But goddamn me, like, comment, subscribe, hit that hype button. I ain't did it in a minute. Hit that hype button. Appreciate it, my nigga. But we finna get out of here. 5th quarter panel. Holla at your boy, Fred Dressel. We out.